Hello everyone to another tutorial from a lesson every day. Today I'm going to show you an alternative for Google AdSense. If you are blocked in Google AdSense, or if you have ideas on places where you can put ad banners, pop ads, pop ender, and so on and so forth, I will share with you a website that pays well and is trustworthy. Follow with me. So let's talk about this website. It is called Ulinks. Okay, and it's a publicity website. It allows you a lot of categories. Okay, so here you have ad banners. You choose the banner you want and so on so forth, and to paste it on your website. Okay, and then you have of course app banner and tags for Android and so on so forth. Redirect, all types of ads are here, of course. um, Slide and so on so forth. Pop up, all you have to do is to choose the type of your website, and then get the link here, and post it on some page on your website. Okay, then you have direct link and layers. Okay, and so on and so forth. What's good about this website is that they pay you well, and they are trustworthy. Okay, and they pay for every click, every pop ad. I hope you try this one. It's good. All right, and wish you good luck. Goodbye. Thank you. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Your support means a lot.